Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to archive your Amazon orders. So this is going to hide all of your old or private purchases from your main order list without deleting anything. So first of all, you need to either open your Amazon application on your phone, or you can just simply come here on your web browser and search for amazon.com. Now, once you are here, simply hover over to the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on the option of sign in and first of all, log in into your account. Now, once you do this, when you hover over to this account and the lists option, you are going to see the option of orders. So it is going to show you the list of all of the orders that you have placed on Amazon, including the current orders and the returned orders. So you need to scroll through the orders and you need to find the item that you want to hide. So when you open the order, you need to look for the option that says archive order. It usually appears on the bottom of the order details page. Then simply tap on the option of archive orders and confirm it. Your order will disappear from the main list and move into the archived orders section. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.